What advice do parents often give to their children in your country?
In China, parents seem to have an exceptional penchant for urging their children to excel academically. It's nearly a universal practice, with virtually every Chinese parent emphasizing the importance of diligent schoolwork and heeding their teacher's guidance. This inclination stems from the unique characteristics of China's educational system, which places a heavy emphasis on standardized exams, setting it apart from many other countries. Regrettably, this system can stifle children's natural curiosity and broader potential for success beyond exam-oriented tasks, a system I find difficult to endorse. However, in the eyes of most Chinese parents, achieving top-notch exam results reigns supreme. Consequently, they consistently counsel their children to pursue relentless academic endeavors, as if the academic performance is the be-all and end-all of human existence, which is beyond crazy.
Contact Dr. NN in England.